Good morning, students of standard 6. Welcome in day 4. Today I will continue to teach you chapter 10 motion and measurement of distance. Okay. In earlier classes you have studied about rest and motion and types of motion. Okay. And in previous class I have discussed three types of motion. First one is linear motion, which are of two types. First one is rectilinear motion and second is curvilinear motion. Okay. Second type of motion is circular motion, which are also of two types. First one is rotational motion and second is revolving motion. Third types of motion is oscillatory or vibratory motion. Okay. Now today I am going to discuss about the last types of motion, repetitive motion. Fourth type is repetitive motion. Repetitive motion comes from the word repeat, that means repeated motion. The motion of an object which gets repeated after some times is called repetitive motion. Okay. The motion of an object which gets repeated after some times is called repetitive motion. As for example, flickering of eyes. Flickering of eyes. This is an example of repetitive motion. That means our eyes flickered after sometimes continuously, so it is an example of repetitive motion. See another example, when we say something, the motion of our lips is an example of repetitive motion. Third example is the motion of earth from its axis is also an example of repetitive motion, because motion is continuously repeated, so it is an example of repetitive motion. Okay. Now types of repetitive motion. There are two types of repetitive motion. First one is periodic motion and second one is non-periodic motion. Okay. What is periodic motion? The motion in which the motion of an object which repeated themselves at a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Okay. The motion of an object which repeat themselves at a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. That means in this motion time should be clear and the motion of object depends upon the time, moves continuously. As for example, the motion of earth on its axis is an example of periodic motion. Okay. Another example, the movement of top from its axis is an example of periodic motion. Okay. Now see another example, non-periodic motion. Okay. Non-periodic motion, the motion of an object which do not repeat themselves at a regular interval of time is called non-periodic motion. Listen once again, the motion of an object which do not repeat themselves at a regular interval of time is called non-periodic motion. As for example, flickering of our eyes, because it does not depend upon the time. It moves suddenly and continuously. Okay, so it is an example of non-periodic motion. When we say something, the motion of our lip sync is also an example of repetitive motion, repetitive non-periodic motion. Okay, and another example, the movement of pulse in our body, heart rate continuously in our body. Okay, these are the example of repetitive motion and non-periodic repetitive motion. Okay. Now, next topic is different motion at the same time. Different motion at the same time. That means we have seen that in some situations there are two or more than two motions are happen at a time. As for example, when we see running cycle, there are two types of motion in a running cycle. First one is, suppose that a cycle running in a straight road, then we can say that that running bicycle has linear motion or rectilinear motion. Okay, and when we see the running bicycle's wheel, the wheel rotates from its axis, so it is an example of rotational motion. Okay, so we can say that in running bicycle there are two types of motion. First is linear motion or rectilinear motion, and second is rotational motion, circular motion from its axis. Okay, see another example, running swing machine. When we see that running swing machine, the wheel of running swing machine has rotational motion and periodic motion also, whereas the needle of swing machine moves up and down, so it is also an example of periodic motion. Okay, so in running machine there are two types of motion. First one is wheel has rotational motion, whereas needle has periodic motion. Okay, and last example, when we roll a ball to the surface on the ground and the ball goes in a straight path, then we can say that ball has linear motion, whereas ball moves itself and it has rotational motion. So here there are two types also of motion. First is linear motion, and movement of themselves of ball is an example of rotational motion. Okay, now last type of motion, last topic of motion is uniform. This is not a type of motion. Uniform motion and non-uniform motion. These motion depend upon the time. Okay, uniform motion means the motion of a body is said to be uniform when it travels, it covers equal distance in equal interval of time, is called uniform motion. As for example, suppose that a car covers 5 meter in 1 second, and again it covers 5 meter in next second, so we can say that the car has in uniform motion. Whereas non-uniform motion, the motion of an object is said to be non-uniform if it covers unequal distance in equal interval of time or covers equal distance in unequal interval of time, is called non-uniform motion. Okay, So this is the last topic of motion. In next class, I will continue from measurement of distance. Okay. Today's class is over, and I hope you are able to understand about the term topic motion. Okay. That's all. Thank you. Have